How's it going, YouTube? Welcome back to another video with the House Money Investing channel. Today's video, I got some crypto movement for you guys. I got some gains I've had in some portfolios, as well as some stock gains and some great stock picks, some deposits, withdrawals, and we'll look at 5 stocks I got into on the day. This here is the thumbnail for the last video I dropped, which was the Webull portfolio review. Check that out if you like. If you do like the type of content, hit that like button for me. I'd really appreciate it. Subscribe, hit that bell if you'd like to follow my journey. Check out the description below if you want to see what this channel's all about. I give an extensive explanation of what I do here on the House Money Investing channel. Also, I have 4 affiliated links if you like any free shares or free stocks. And lastly, if you would like to follow me on social media platforms, I have 3 different platforms down in the description below as well. So let's jump right into it. This here is the Bitcoin and the Robinhood account. As you can see, I own 1% of a Bitcoin. My average cost is $14,909.96. This here is an initial investment of about $175. And it's now valued at $584.44. It is 7.14% of my portfolio. On the day, we're up $4.82, up 0.83%. Total return is $409.27. We are up a staggering 233.64%. Last buy was on March 12th. We put about $6 more into the Bitcoin. So Bitcoin is performing very well for us. This is just a look at some of the cryptocurrencies I have in the Cash App. As you can see, my portfolio is valued up over $8,100. I'm holding Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, Dogecoin, Ethereum Classic, and BSV. This here is the Webull portfolio, which I did the reveal on last video. As you can see, my account value is $2,148.39. I am up $559.52, up a nice 35.21%. So we're doing about 3 to 4 times better than the market average. So the Webull portfolio is performing very nicely. Next here we have Bitcoin in the Cash App portfolio. As you can see, it's valued at $2,783.63. Now this is about a $340 investment that has grown in value up to over $2,700. So I pretty much, have almost 10x, have about 8 to 9x my money here on Bitcoin in the Cash App. Very small investment, like I said, about $300-400 roughly. Now valued up over $2,700. Bitcoin is nearly $50,000 at the moment. This here is Bitcoin in the Toro app. As you can see, Bitcoin's valued at $49,304.25 per coin. On the day, it was up $1,459.58. Total daily gain of 3.05%. I invested $153 here into Bitcoin in the Toro app. That $153 is now valued at $344.86. It is up a nice 125.40%. I've more than doubled my investment. I am up $191.86. Sorry, I spilled something on my screen. Let me try to get that off here. Next, we have Bitcoin Cash. This is in the PayPal account. As you can see, I have about a 10% of a coin of Bitcoin Cash, and my current value is $76.02. At the time of the screenshot, Bitcoin Cash was at $713.10 per coin. Next, I have 3 stocks that ARKW added to its portfolio in 2021. We got Twitter, Silvergate Capital SI, and DraftKings. Both Twitter and DraftKings are two long-term holds of mine. They're also two stocks that I own in the house money account, and I do plan on possibly adding Silvergate Capital to my portfolio as well. I always like to look at what ARK Invest is doing in all 5 or 6. Well, now it's going to be 6 with the ARK X coming out. I always like to look at what they buy, and a lot of times I do buy what they buy just because of their track record and my belief in Cathie Woods, and some of the some of the plays that I've made based on their selections have done very, very well for me. I'm up astounding amounts compared to being down when it comes to copy trading ARK Invest. This here is the Webull account again. As you can see, my gains ran up. Now I'm up $573.70. I'm now up 36.11%. If you look down at the bottom, you can see my top holding is Medfast, ticker MED. I bought one share at $165.41. That share is now valued at $277.03. So I am up $111.62, up 67.48%. So Medfast has performed very well for me as well. And this is the Medfast purchase, which I made back on November 11th, 2020. And like I said, it's up over 60%, up over $110. It is 19.28% of my position ratio, which is super high. I do have like 26 holdings in this account, and the account's only valued at $2,100. But this is just running up for me as a long-term hold, and I plan on holding it and collecting those gains over time. This here is the Stash Invest account. This is the IRA account. These are my top 3 holdings. I got Upwork Inc., which is 11% of the portfolio. It is up 334.80%. We got Canopy Growth, 7% of the portfolio. That's ticker CGC. It is up 129.21%. Then we got Chico's Fast Inc. It's 8% of the portfolio. It is up 99.30%. So you see these 3 picks for me are also doing very well, and they're up they're up a nice percent game. This is the Stash Invest. This is the personal portfolio. These are my top holdings. We got Baidu Inc., which is 5% of the portfolio. It is up 156.65%. We got Blue Chips, which is an ETF. It's 2% of the portfolio. It is up 56.61%. Then we got Consumer Comforts, 2% of the portfolio, which is an ETF as well, and is up 48.69%. Then I got 2 strong buy dividend stocks yielding at least 7%. We got Williams Companies, ticker WMB, and AGNC Investment, ticker AGNC. Now we're going to get into what I just purchased. We did withdraw $1.54 of principal from the Robinhood. We went ahead and purchased $2 of ticker FNGS in the Robinhood account, which is 6% of a share. We made a withdrawal from Webull of $195.10. We deposited $5 into the stash account. We purchased $1 of Edit, ticker EDIT. This is Edis Medicine Inc. Then we went ahead and purchased $2 of Bristol Myers Squibb, ticker BMY. We purchased $3 of Kilroy Realty Corp, ticker KRC. And lastly, we purchased $4 of DraftKings Inc., ticker DKNG. All 4 of these trades are just going to be long-term investments. They're not going to be swing trades, the usual swing trades that I may make. So that'll pretty much be the 5 plays that I made. The one in Robinhood, 4 in Stash. You know, deposit a little bit of capital just to make those purchases. Withdrew some principal from the Webull account from the swing trades I made last month, and then we went ahead and withdrew the remaining principal out of Robinhood, and we left in just enough to purchase FNGS off the principal. So there you go. That'll be it for you guys. You know, I gave you guys a few good stock picks, showed you some of the gains that I've had in some of my portfolios, and some crypto gains I had as well as Bitcoin and Bitcoin Cash. If you like this type of content, if you enjoyed the video, hit that like button. I'd really appreciate that. Subscribe, hit that bell if you want to continue to follow my journey. I will catch you guys on the next one. I will be making 6 more purchases tomorrow, as well as I will be showing any gains that I had in the market. Once again, I appreciate you guys for tuning in. See you in the next one.